In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate handle on this GMC Sierra. It's going to be located at the tailgate. Let's get into it. Remove this panel. I'm going to use a T15 socket. Take these screws out. Take those all out. Just grab the panel. Set it to the side. And we're going to take the rods off. You just want to push this to the side, just like that. Pull those out. There's another one right here. Do the same. Pop those off out of the way. We're going to take the lock cylinder out. There's a spring right here. We're just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. I'm just going to pop this out. You can twist it to the side like that, pull it off completely, makes it easier. Just take the lock cylinder, you want to push it from the front, take that out. There's two bolts right here, take those out with a 10mm socket. Just grab the handle, there's a couple clips, push those clips in, slide the handle out. And there's a camera on this one. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T20 socket. Loosen those up. And there's the handle. Take the new handle, slide the camera in place. We'll get those screws started. And snug those down. Slide this in position. Take the top part in first. There's two little tabs. You want to line those up with the holes. Push it in. It's going to lock in place right there and there. And take the screws. Snug those down. We're just going to move this just like that, so the lock cylinder will go in. Slide that in place, and there's already a spring clip there. Lock it down. Now the rods, get the rod lined up. Push that in. Now we can lock it down, just like that. You do the same on the other one. Those are good. I'll put this cover on, and we'll get all the screws started. And snug these down. There you go, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.